Welcome. If you've ever wanted to check your WhatsApp messages without letting other people know you've read them, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp web using the latest update on your PC. It's quick, simple, and takes less than a minute to do. First things first, open your web browser and head to WhatsApp web. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this by scanning the QR code with your phone just like you normally would. Once you're inside, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Now, look to the left side menu. You'll notice a small gear icon at the bottom. That's the settings button. Click on it to open the settings menu. This is where you can manage all your preferences from notifications to privacy controls. Next, from the list of options, click on privacy. This section allows you to customize who can see your personal details, like your last seen, profile photo, and read receipts. Scroll down a bit until you find the read receipts option. It's the one that controls those blue ticks that appear when someone reads your message. To turn them off, simply toggle the switch next to read receipts to the off position. Easy as that. Once it's turned off, no one will be able to see whether you've read their messages, and you won't see if they've read yours either. It works both ways. And that's it. You've successfully disabled read receipts on WhatsApp web. This setting syncs with your WhatsApp account, so it'll stay the same across your devices. Now, you can read messages in peace without feeling the pressure to reply right away. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might also want a bit more privacy on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.